Today we're gonna draw a bird, this token here. Hope you like it. Hi there, my name is Sara and I'm a digital illustrator, and together we are going to learn everything we need to know about Drawing Desk. Drawing Desk is a painting and drawing application that you can use whenever and wherever you are with just everything you need right in your fingertips. It's one of the most powerful apps, allowing anyone and everyone to explore their creative potential in the world of digital art. You can make illustrations, paintings, doodles, sketches, patterns, and so much more using Drawing Desk. It can be used in both iOS and Android devices to create extremely detailed and advanced artworks. But what's more exciting is that its intuitiveness makes it simple enough and perfect to any absolute beginner starting out in art as well. In this video, I'm using an iPad, Drawing Desk version 6, and an Apple Pencil. We are going to start right at the very beginning and work our way down step by step. I will explain all essential features of Drawing Desk that you will need to know as we create our illustration together. So follow along and come draw with me. Alright, let's get started. Okay, I will take my Apple Pencil and I will start going to the sketch desk. And here, as you can see, we have the different brushes we can use. And first of all, I will start always with the pencil to do the sketches. Here, the important window you have to really take into account is the layers window, because we will use as much layers as we need for having our different parts of the drawing really tidy. So first of all, I will create a new drawing layer, and I will start with a very rough sketch. Okay, I will use, here you have the different sizes, here you have the different sizes of the pencil, and I will put like a medium size for the first sketches. We will start with a very rough sketch. If I want to move it around, I will use the selection tool. You click in the scissors, you then select what you want to move, and then you just place it around. I will put it like here, and you click on the selection and just unclick the scissors to start drawing again. First we will do like the tail. Sorry, I didn't comment it, but if you want to undo something, you have to click in the screen with 2 fingers. And everything, like a miracle, will be undone. Okay, yeah, more or less like this. So once we have it, I will lower the opacity, and we will do another sketch, more refined, with another new drawing layer. I will do the size smaller in my pencil, and I will just go trying to select the lines that I like from the first sketching. If you are having troubles with doing these rounded parts, these circles, you can always use a tool that Drawing Desk gives you, which is to create a form automatically. So as you have seen, I will select this icon, and you have here many different forms that you can use just to do architectural drawing. And yeah, I selected just the circle, so I put the circle where it has to be, and then you just go on top on this, the part that you want, and you close it. And if something went a bit wrong, we always can delete these parts that we don't like. with the eraser that is just here. Perfect. If you are having also troubles doing straight lines, you can always use the roller to put it where you need the roller, and then you can do a straight line. That here it's perfect. You unselect it and that's it. Then I think more or less I have all I need. Oh, sorry. I'm just hiding the clear sketch. So if you hide the messy sketch, the first one, you can see that the animal is just much cleaner. Nice. So what I will do is just delete this layer here and just keep my clear sketch. I will do another drawing layer that I will put on the bottom of this layer up here, and I will start painting my illustration. So we will start coloring the background. First of all, I always like the geometrical shapes on the bottom, so I will do a geometrical shape, a circle in this case. So I will put this circle just right here. I have to see if I prefer the toucan to go out or to be in the circle. I think I will take in the circle. Fine, yeah. I will use this, and I like this color right here for the... I already selected my color palette that I will use. Here you have 3 different windows. You can or select the color you like in the color wheel, and you can play with the hue here and with the brightness and blacks. Then here you have like more things to control your color selection. Here you can play around to try to assess the best color that works for you. And here drawing desk is quite cool because you already have some palettes that can be really useful for your drawings. I actually use this a lot, and I just did mine. You can do your palette here or add a new one in here and start putting the colors you like. So using this palette, I will take this color, and what I will do is select these 2 here. This is quite cool because you can do many patterns you like and just filling the shape that you have with your pattern. For example, I will use this one like a wall, no? And I will fill in with the wall. That's nice. In this case, what I will do is just doing the filling with the color, and it will work for me. And you press the exit. Then for the background, I select the first layer that I didn't touch. I take the background color that I want, and then I will use this tool, this brush. Well, it's not actually a brush, that will fill in with the color. It's nice. Then I have both backgrounds, so I will take my a new drawing layer, take it again on the bottom of the illustration of the sketch, and I will use the black color to start coloring. This is a brush which is quite big normally, as you can see, and for the filling of the forms I find it really useful. So I will do it a little bit smaller and start the filling. Perfect. Once you have all the form, you can just drag the color. If at some point you want to see the lines, you can always play with the opacity. In this case, it's just to see where we have the other lines. Perfect. We want another drawing layer to keep coloring our toucan. Here I will use in this case this brush, but just the smaller part. For example, now I can do the eye here with a white. We can also use again the tool just to be sure that we will do it perfect, and then we can erase using this one. Perfect. And we will close and erase. Perfect. What else? Now the peak. In the peak I will use different colors, but for the first thing we have to do, I will just paint everything with orange. And then what we can do, in this layer, we can click in adjustments and click in alpha lock here. So what means alpha lock? Now you can paint on top of these already painted parts. For example, I won't paint here, here it won't paint, but in the peak that is already painted, you can fill in with different colors. It's super nice. What else? We will paint this part a bit different. Well, the difference is not super extreme. What else? Here. And you can go just part by part to make. You don't have to think about I will go out of the line, because you already did a perfect line before, so that's fine. Like this. Okay, then I will take this color a bit brighter. Okay, for this thinner part I will take the liner. It's much easier for me. And just the last part, I will use this one. This will be bigger. Here I will take a bigger size. As you can see, it's much easier. But in this case, be careful, because you cannot erase, because you will erase everything. Perfect. I'm liking it a lot. What else? Now, the belly. Let's do the belly in a new layer. Drawing layer. I will put it on top of the background of the whole body paint. And I will use this for the belly. Nice. And as the legs are on top of this layer, I won't paint in there. So it's super useful to have the layers organized. And it's fine if you go a little bit out, because then you can erase like this. Perfect. Then what you can do is just put the opacity at the right form. Well, it's taking a really nice shape. What else will we do? On this layer, I always like to put some gradients of color, so I love using this tool. What does it? It gives like a really grainy effect that I use a lot to draw here in this app. I just love it. And we can give like a really cool effect, as you can see. In this one we will put a bit of color and some shadows, not strong shadows but light shadows. You can just play around with the colors and see which one you prefer. I like this one. It's cool. We still lack the eye feeling. We will do the eye. Nice. Are you liking it? And we'll take this color. Also, for color picking, you can just keep your finger in the color you want to use and it will automatically change. Like this one, maybe a bit darker for me, like this, and we will do kind of a eyebrow, maybe too thin. Then another cool effect we can do is for this branch we can erase. We can erase this layer and do kind of this effect for the branch. We'll add some leaves here in a new layer, or maybe we can use this layer. Yeah, it's fine. Now, the last part I will do, the line art with a color that is more similar to the one we have, like this. Just lower a bit the size of the pencil, like here. So that's my process, that's how I do the drawing. And then the important part too is just go and save it in your device, and you can share it on your social media if you want. Thank you very much.